Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine. Yesterday we completed question answers of which lesson? Unity is strength, about old man and four sons, correct? And today we are going to start with new lesson. It is called, name of our lesson is language study. What is name of our lesson? Language study, and in that there are some words which are describing about a noun. Okay, it describes something more about noun. Those words we are going to highlight in this lesson, which tells more about noun. Noun means what? Naming words. Name of a place, name of a person, name of an animal, name of bird, name of a thing. Such words are called what? Such words are called nouns. And the words which are describing about nouns, they are called adjectives, that you will study in further classes. Okay, but now we are going to study is describing words. What we are going to study? Describing words. There are some words which describes about the noun. Here it is. Now first let's know about it. First one, a mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet in taste. What it is told? That a mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet. Can you see here? Mango is yellow in color and it is very sweet in taste. You know it very well. Many times you might have eaten mango. Second one, a rose is red. How is rose? Rose is red. It is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. These are four pencils. These are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are four pencils. We sharp pencils to write. Do the pencils have points? Yes. How do the pencil gets point? Pencil gets points with the help of sharpener. And when we sharp pencils, we get one point. Black color points are there at the front. And with the help of those points, we can write. And last one is what? A dog is a clever and loyal animal. Words in bold describe about each atom. They are describing words. What are they? They are describing words. Now describing words means which tells more about, now for example, yellow word is telling more about mango. Then how is taste of mango? It is sweet. Correct or not? Then rose is of what color? Rose is of red color. So red is what? Red is describing word. It is very beautiful. Now beautiful is telling about what? Beautiful is telling about rose. So beautiful is what? It is describing word. Okay, for example, now a mango is yellow. Mango is yellow in color. So which word is describing a mango in color? If we will not say yellow, if we will just say like this, a mango is in color. What in color? If we will hide one word, what will that sentence make any meaning? The sentence like a meaning rahil ka? A mango is in color. And if I will remove my book, what is correct sentence then? A mango is yellow in color. Color of what is told? Color of mango is told. How is color of mango? Then you will say, ma'am, yellow. So yellow word is what? It is a describing word. It is very sweet. It is very sweet in taste. When I will say this, it is very sweet in taste. So sweet word is what? Sweet word is describing word. If I will say it is very in taste, you will say, what ma'am? What is this? It is very in taste means what? If I will remove my book and if I will say it is very sweet in taste, then it will make some meaning. The word yellow is describing word. The word sweet is describing word. Next one is what? A rose is red. A rose is red. If I will not say red, only I will say this, a rose is. Then you will say, what ma'am is saying? What is this? A rose is means what? If I will remove my book and if I will say a rose is red, then what is this word? It describes that there is a flower which is red in color. What? There is a word red which describes that flower is in red color. Understood? So red is what? Red is describing word. If I will say it is very beautiful, it is very beautiful, then what is meaning of this word beautiful? It is very beautiful. And if I will not say beautiful, then if I will say only it is very, you will say, ma'am, what? It is very what? It is very what? It is very hard, it is very dirty, or it is very rubbish, or it is very something. What should be there? Not. If I will say it is very beautiful, then beautiful word is what? Beautiful is describing word. What is word beautiful? Beautiful is describing word. In same way, further it is given, these are 4 pencils. These are 4 pencils. So 4 word is what? It is describing word. These are pencils. This sentence is making some meaning. It is making meaning. Yes or no? These are pencils. It is making some meaning. Yes. These are pencils. If I will keep hand, or if I will not write 4, these are pencils. But how many? If I say, students, take, these are some pencils, then you will say, or not, students, you will say, ma'am, how many pencils have you given us? Then I will say, I have given you 10 pencils. Then 10 is what? 10 is describing word. Understood? Next one is, we use sharp pencils to write. What do we use? We use sharp pencils to write. So word sharp is what? It is a describing word. And last one, a dog is a clever and loyal animal. Clever and loyal animal. Clever word is what? Clever word is describing word, and loyal word is also what? It is a describing. There are 2 describing words, clever and loyal. Have you understood? In this way we have studied how many sentences of describing word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 6 and this is 7th one. Understood? Have you understood what is describing words? If I will tell you some more examples, correct? If I will say you, for example, if I want to say you something, students have written paper nicely, correct? Then what will be describing word in that? Students have written paper nicely. What will be describing word? If I will not write, I will not say paper. Students have written nicely. What? Paper. Paper is what? Then paper is a describing word. Understood? There are many more examples. I will give you some more examples in tomorrow's period. Okay. Here it is given in now about this only. About the 7 sentences, there is a match the pace. Okay. First one is sharp. Now in this all sentences, what is sharp? Sharp is what? Sharp is pencil. So you have to match the pair. Sharp with pencil. Clever. What is clever? A dog is a clever. So clever dog. Match the pair. Sweet. What is sweet? Here it is. A mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet. So sweet word we have to match with what? Mango. And red. What is red? A rose is red. So match red with rose. Understood? In this way, please complete your match the pace in your notebook as well as in textbook. Understood? नोटबुक मध्ये पण मॅच द फॉलोइंग कंप्लीट करायचे आणि बुक मध्ये पण मॅच द फॉलोइंग कंप्लीट करायचे. आणि and in tomorrow's period I will give you some more examples of describing words. Okay, I will give you at least 5 sentences in which you will have some describing words. Okay, remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. If you want to know question number B, it is very easy here. Using the given pictures, write the correct describing word from the words given in the box. Here it is. This is a dash ball. Now how is ball? Big ball. So write down your answer, big. An apple is dash in color. How is color of apple? Red. So write down your red, R-E-D, red. He is an dash man. Now, how is this man? He is old. So, old example is there here? Yes, old, old. Write down here, old. These are dash bananas. How many bananas are they? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 example is there? Yes, 8. So, write down 8 bananas. This is a dash parrot. How is parrot? Parrot is green in color. So, write down this is a green parrot. In this way, please complete your question number A. Complete your question number A in notebook and question number B in notebook. C part we will study in tomorrow's period, and even we will start with new poem Friends Forever. Okay, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay. Please complete your workbook as well as your notebook. Thank you.